You ain't nothing but a hound dog. Been snooping around my door. You ain't nothing but a hound dog. Been snooping around my door. You can wag your tail, but I ain't gonna feed you no more.
See, you told me you was high class, but I could see through that. Said you told me she was high class, but I could see through that. Oh, and honey, I know you ain't no real cool cat.
You ain't nothing but a hound dog. Been snooping around my door.
Oh, ain't nothing but a hound dog. Been snooping around my door.
Hey, you can wag your tail.
Oh, but I ain't gon' feed you no more.
You told me it was high class, but I can see through that. Yes, you told me it was high class, but I can see through that.
Oh,
and Daddy, I know you ain't no real cool
you
boy.
ain't nothing but a hound dog. Been snooping around my door.
Hey, you ain't nothing but a hound dog swooping round my door.
Oh, you can wag your tail,
But I ain't gonna feed you no more.
you can wag your tail,
But I ain't gonna feed you no more.
you can wag your tail, but I ain't gon' feed you no
That is Kimberly and Lowell in a battle for Team Pharrell. I got some good news. Your coach is standing up. That's always a good sign. Adam, let's start with you.
Oh, man, that was so great. It was just one of those moments that you're like, oh, yeah, this is a classic voice moment. Really cool arrangement, super producer. It was perfectly executed, and you guys have to be so proud of that. My loyalty, of course, would have been with Lowell just because losing Lowell to Pharrell made me want to cry. Kimberly, man, honest to God, though, you might have taken this. So I don't know who the hell I pick. I award you no help, and have fun with that.
All right, thank you, Adam. Let's go to Blake.
What is wrong with you putting those two together?
Yeah.
What is wrong with you? Man, Kimberly, you know what? Your voice is just infectious. And your stage presence, your persona, everything about you. I'm obsessed with you. Now that I'm talking about it, you may want to get a restraining order before I'm done complimenting you.
Had to make it creepy. You had to make it creepy.
I mean, it's Lowell, your singing is also amazing. By the way, the tail wagging thing you did, that was awesome. And Lowell occupies a space that nobody else occupies. I'm gonna plead the fifth on this one.
Hey, Blake, aren't you happy that we don't have to make that decision right now?
Yeah,
Me too.
yeah.
Yeah. Poor Pharrell.
Christina.
You both had such charisma. It got me so excited. It was my favorite battle of this season for sure, so hats off to Pharrell. I'm really excited.
Pharrell, the final decision is yours.
You guys are right. Like, what did I do?
I'm thinking that right now.
What did I do? Because I want them both.
Can't have them both.
You can have both of them. You can have both of them.
How?
Man, shut up. Let him just
Because
decide.
last year, remember, I had a battle, and I chose a guy, and the other one went to another team, and then I got the other guy back. Last season, when I beat Adam, when I beat him, I was able to get both of them back, and
Blake,
then I beat
shut
him.
up.
Pharrell, who is the winner of this battle?
This is so hard.
Yes, but it is time to make a decision.
Oh, man.
Would you like us all to leave?
That was funny.
It's such a hard decision for me because I want to have you both. Because you know what? In the young man, I saw something I had never seen before. But what are you supposed to do when she sings like that too? Like, she's incredible.
Mr. Williams, the floor is yours. Who is the winner of this battle?
See, that's the problem I have. That's the problem. Honestly, they're both winners.
Okay, we know that.
Okay? That's why I'm so sorry to hold you guys
Don't make
up.
me take a commercial break.
The thing is who can I actually do some work with and who doesn't need me? You know what I mean? Like, that's really what it boils down to.
Repeat after me. The winner of this battle
No,
is...
no.
Where are you going? Where are you going? Slow your roll. Who's best for Team Pharrell?
Jesus, she probably has to pee or something. She's been up there for 45 minutes.
I have to pee.
Listen, honestly, I had one moment like this.
I just peed just now.
Okay.
Who's the winner of this battle?
Okay, I have to make a decision.
Hashtag 45-minute battle round.
Hashtag I'm sorry.
Hashtag come on, man.
Come on, Pharrell. Come on.
And you said it's possible that you could get them back later, right?
You can. I've done
Hey,
that. I've
yes.
stolen my own team member
Yes.
back, too.
You know, last year when I won the show, I beat Adam.
I'm gonna go on a leap of faith
Oh, Lord.
that you guys will both end up back on my team.
Now I'm nervous.
So I'm gonna choose Lowell.
The winner of this battle is Lowell. Moving on to the knockouts, representing Team Pharrell.
Correct. Okay, we got a lot of work to do. A lot of work to do.
Being able to continue to work with Pharrell literally means the world, and it's Lord, I'm just so thankful.
I picked Lowell because I felt like there was more work for us to do, and I felt like he was something different. I felt like the show's not really had before.
Coaches, let me remind you, Kimberly is available to steal. We got a steal! Christina Aguilera!
Hi YouTube, thanks for watching this video. Be sure to click over here to subscribe to The Voice and stay tuned for even more incredible videos.